2, 3.
Okay, let's go. Select 3 hours. And then we'll back up then.
Well done, make it big. Lob it. Keep pushing.
They're just in round the wheel.
That's 3. Chris Reid. Get to the ball.
Champions League.
Thank you. Leave your pods up and the thing.
No, we'll just take Joe straight through then. Just straight on through.
Cheers. Cheers, Dalo.
3, 4, 6.
Oh.
10, 9.
Chris Gunter.
Shut on earth the pup.
You've got to do that.
We'll do another take now. Come on, Wells.
Yeah.
Alright, sorry, I'll do it properly. Neil Taylor.
Who?
What am I signing?
Neiled it.
Okay.
Spelt my name wrong, but still it's fine. Again.
Hands down your side, looking serious.
And go for it.
Pick me.
No way. 5. Step. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Steps. 5, 4, 3. Bang. Done.